Hello, welcome everyone to my today's tutorial. I'm going to be working on an image. We're going to be working on an image to trace an image that have this kind of hair that you are seeing on the screen now. Most people have difficulty working on such images, so in this tutorial I'll talk more on it and how you can achieve it and work on them. So let's open it in Photoshop. Okay, now we'll open it. We're going to use our crop tool to bring it together. Like that. So unlock the background, call it 80. Okay, so now we're going to be using the pen tool to trace around it. So you can take your time, but due to this tutorial we might not exactly have time to spend on getting the perfect curve. Just to make sure we just get to the air. Yes. So once you get to the air, you don't have to be very specific about it. Like you can do it the rough work around it. You must not get it exactly, just go around it like this. We'll now bring it down a bit. So just spend your time. You can get this image, or you can, if you have an image that have this kind of hair, you can still work on it and get it. All of them uses the same process. We continue. Well, remember I told you that this downside we might not be specific about it because we are mainly looking at the hair. To work on removing the hair. Now we've traced through the image with our pen tool. I will advise you to use pen tool, not to use lasso tool. I don't know, but you can use any tool you can use to achieve this thing in no time, but I'm using the pen tool. So I'll now right click. From the right click I'll make selection, then 0. Okay, now select one of the tools here, lasso tool or anything, just to get through select and box over the top of the screen here. So I'll click on it. As you can see, it has changed and we have entered here. You can see that the image is not clean. So you now select the refined edge brush and reduce the opacity. Come from here, reduce it, reduce the size of the brush, reduce the size of the brush. You can see how it is. Then you start tracing around the air. So we might not be very specific about these things, but just know that this is the process. As you can see, we're having the air, we're getting the air details. So after doing this, you now click OK. Then after clicking the OK, you now invert it by pressing Ctrl+Shift+I. You press the backspace, it deletes. Then now let's add a background to the back. Create a new layer, send the layer down. Then give it a feel. As you can see, the background is off, but we are still having some white using around the image. Now what do we do now? We will use the clone stamp tool. We use it to fill in the white spaces. But you must create a point from the one that is good, from an image that is good. Then you now start creating the point on it. So we might not get it perfectly well, but you can take your time to go through it and work on the image to get the perfect trace of it. As you can see, we've achieved something that is reasonable. So because of this is the tutorial, I need to get it down. So I believe that you must have learned a lot from this now. Through this tutorial, this is the image. Let's bring in the original one. Sorry, I had to duplicated it. So open it. Okay. I will show you. Get it from here. So now this is the image, this is the main image, this is it. So let's change the color of this one. We can see that by the time we're going to be changing the color, find out that it fits in. So this is a way you can easily achieve it, but remember you have to take your time to work on the details and achieve what you want. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can like the video, share it to your friends, tell your friends about it that wants to learn, and believe me, through this support I will be uploading more tutorials that will be helpful to you. Thanks, see you next time.